They always say how important your thumbnail is, because if nobody clicks on your thumbnail, then how are they going to watch your video? And yes, you could argue even if they click on your video and your video sucks, they're still not going to watch it, but they won't even get to your video if your thumbnail sucks in the first place. So everybody says make your thumbnail have context, and I want to go ahead and just share some examples and like a little practice drill I started doing just now. Just looking at the picture off the bat, what do you think this is about? I didn't read the title. I think this is about, well, because he's on the phone, something with YouTube Shorts. Read the title, 10 reasons you need to go all in on YouTube. I don't know who this guy is, but his name is right there, Tom Bilyeu. How Tom Bilyeu got famous, or a lot of views. The title is How Tom Bilyeu Built an Audience of Millions with Video Podcasting, right over here. So just looking at this thumbnail, what do you think this is about? So if you don't know, that's Will Tennyson. This is obviously The Rock, and they're eating a bunch of food. So I would think, all right, I'm eating a bunch of food with The Rock. Or, all right, in this case, I tried The Rock's cheat meal for 30 days. He's in a SWAT uniform, hour 7. So I trained like a SWAT person. I tried SWAT Academy. All right, so shocked face. I went into big mansions. $1 versus $1 million hotel room. How about over here? All right, so he's in the circle. I stayed in the circle for X amount of days. Survive 100 days in the circle. So I know this is really simple, and maybe you already even do this, but I think this is going to make a huge difference on how you can actually make your thumbnail. Because if you can have enough context in the actual visuals, if it looks not only appealing, but you can tell what the video is about without even clicking on it, I think that's going to go ahead and make a massive difference to actually go ahead and get more and more traction, more views on it. So that's something I want to start incorporating, not just on this face channel, Chris the Guy, but also on my faceless channel, because I think there's still even more improvement that could be done. Let me know, is this like an exercise you currently do? Is this how you kind of process your thumbnails? Let me know in the comments down below.